everyone! In this really quick stitch tutorial I will show you how to do a back post treble crochet. Now remember, if this is your first time visiting the Blossom Crochet channel, then do hit that subscribe and the little bell button now, and then you will get notifications of all of my new tutorials. But this tutorial is simply to show you how to create a back post treble crochet. We're not creating a whole project, it is literally just a stitch tutorial. So this is a UK back post treble, however if you're elsewhere in the world this will probably be your back post double crochet. So they're exactly the same stitch, it's just different terminology. So if you come across a back post treble or a back post double in a pattern, you can watch this video just to know how to do that particular stitch. So to do a back post treble, they can be a little bit fiddly if you haven't done them before. You simply want to yarn over and then you're going to go around the whole of this treble from the previous row. So you're going to go around the whole of the stitch, but you're going to come through the back of your work. So your hook will come through in front of the treble, in front of that stitch. So you'll yarn over and you'll go around the back of your work. So you will come out in front of that treble that we want to go around, and you'll go back through. So you can see you've pushed the whole of that stitch to the back. Then you'll yarn over and pull up. So you'll still get your 3 loops like you do with a normal treble. You can see I've still got my 3 loops there. Yarn over and you'll pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. So that has created your first back post treble. So you can see it's pulling that stitch out at the back. So we'll do that again now around the next treble. So you can see we've done it around this one and we'll do it around this next one. So yarn over and again go around the back of your work and come out in front of that treble, go across the whole of the stitch and back out the other side. So you're pushing the whole of that stitch back, yarn over and pull up, and again you'll have your 3 loops and complete your stitch. So I'll show you that one more time. So yarn over and we're going to go around the whole of this next stitch. So you're going to come up and in front of that stitch and then back out the other side. Yarn over and pull up and then complete your treble. So you can see all of those stitches now have been pulled backwards and you should have a ridge there with the top of the stitches from the previous row. So that is how you do a back post treble crochet. So I really hope that the tutorial has been helpful for you, and I will see you for another beginner's tutorial very soon. Bye for now.